Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'll be sharing with you about tung oil, which is commonly used in protecting and finishing wood. This is a sample of tung oil finish by brand Home Store. So, would you like to learn more about what is tung oil? Come, let's follow me. Tung oil, or China wood oil, is a drying oil obtained by pressing the seed from the nut of the tung tree, Vernicia fordii. Tung oil hardens upon exposure to air through polymerization, and the resulting coating is transparent and has a deep, almost wet look. Used mostly for finishing and protecting wood, after numerous coats, the finish can even look plastic-like. In terms of application, you may use cloth or brush with a coverage of 125 to 150 square feet per liter. Drying time 5 to 10 minutes with recoating after 24 hours.